Hey everybody, it's Mindy and welcome back to my channel, or welcome for the first time if you're new here. And if you're new here, if you like what you see, you might want to consider coming back, Hit the subscribe button and come back. I do all kinds of videos showing all kinds of different stuff. Today I have a Diamond Art Club. All right, I do show a lot of Diamond Art Club. This one I had to have because I just had to have it. You'll see why when I open it up. It's a square drill. You can tell that by the blue strip. A blue strip means it's square, plus we have a square here on the box. Unfortunately, you won't be able to get this one. It was a limited edition. They did a run of a certain artist. They were running out of licensing time for certain artists. And so they have done some, let's get these done, let's get these produced, and they're one and dones. I know. And this one, oh my gosh, I'm certain if they could reproduce more of this one, it would sell out every time because it's beautiful. All right, so here's a Diamond Art Club tool kit. This is their regular, we'll call it the older tool kit. They're coming out with a new tool kit, but they have to use up these. All right, you know how that goes. You have inventory, you got to use it up. So it comes with the clear boat, 2 heart waxes, a squishy for your pen, a 4 placer to go on your blue pen. Let's put this stuff back in here. And then it's a square diamond painting, so you'll get the sharp pointy tweezers that go with that. All right, so that is their regular toolkit. They added a couple things to the new ones, blinged them up a little bit more, fancied them up a little bit for us. Okay, here's my small sticker. I'm just going to save it until we look at the painting. Why not? Let's look at the painting. Like I said, it's unfortunate that they had to do these as limited run because of the licensing running out, but I'm happy that I got mine. That's all I can say. Diamond Art Club's poured glue. They got this very soft canvas on the back. They got the serged edges so that it won't fray. It's poured glue. I'm going to just roll this backwards so that it will lay down quickly. They will lay down nice and flat for you in just a matter of minutes, but we don't want to wait. We don't want to wait. Let's get it out. Okay, it's out. It's out. I got it rolled backwards. Okay, here's our drills. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at all of those mint colors. I did not realize there was that much mint in this, but there is. Here is the information sheet, your little pamphlet. I know you can tell what it is. I know. A little information sheet pamphlet. This had a code in it for your next purchase to get some money off. Even though you can't order this one, I do have a code you can use. It's 10 off Mindy. That would save you $10 off your first purchase if you are new to Diamond Art Club. $10 off a purchase. That's a good deal. After that, you can get codes everywhere. On your slip, on the painting, in your box, in here, in their Facebook group. Save some money. All right. So this is from the run they recently did of Dean Russo paintings. There were a lot of animals, and this has animals as well. It's called Brave and Free, and look at it. It is a sunflower, a great big old sunflower right in the middle. Got some other smaller flowers around it and a whole bunch of butterflies. Isn't it beautiful? It's gorgeous. It's a 56 by 56, so it's square. The painting itself is square, and it has square drills. And there are 37 colors. There's your symbols. These are all peelable individually. You can put them on your containers when you kit up. Love that. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. Anything under 150 with Diamond Art Club, holy cow. Anything under 150 is an AB. So look, this is under 150. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ABs. 8. A white, looks like a blue, a couple of greens, an orange, a yellow, a red, and what is 102? I don't know. Is it black? It might be black. We'll find out. This is all sticker, so you can stick this wherever you'd like. Put this in a logbook when you're done. Love it. Okay, let's check this out, you guys. Let's check it out. All right. First of all, here is your first legend. Look at the colors in this. Here's all the ABs up to this point right here. Those are all AB. And then purple, 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 pink, 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 orange, orange. I did not realize there were so many of these mints, but that's a mint color. Those two are as well. Wow. I guess there is. Look at all of the green there. That's all going to be mint, like that background. Can you see the drill field? See how clear it is? It's always clear. I've never had any trouble. Wow. What are our ABs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, P, and dot. Remember that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, P, and dot. Oh, I can see a bunch of dots. All this white is AB. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's look at it. This is so pretty. You guys, it's so pretty. Wow, I love this. I love sunflowers. I grow sunflowers, and they're some of my favorites because they are so striking. And there's so many different varieties of sunflowers. That's what makes them really cool. Look at it. It's beautiful. Look at the words. Brave and free. No problem reading those. Now look, all of these butterflies kind of stand out. They're all surrounded with white. They're like in a little white halo kind of thing. And all of that white is going to be AB. Wow. This is so pretty. This is really gorgeous. Okay. When I saw it, I knew I had to have it. I fell in love with it. I mean, I have many sunflower paintings, but you never have too many. They have all of their information down here at the bottom about the painting. The size is here, the licensing. They license through Art Licensing Company. Oh yeah, I think it's because of that. I think they're not working with Art Licensing anymore. So that's where he's through. And so they decided, well, we better create these and get them out there now because we're not licensing anything else through Art Licensing. So there you go. Isn't it gorgeous? It's gorgeous. Wow. You want to look at those? Wow, that's a sparkly bag of drills. I will say this is more ABs than I've ever gotten on a Diamond Art Club. Yep, this is maximum AB. All right. Okay, so first of all, wow, I didn't think there would be 4 bags of 939. Wow, there's that many 939s? Huh. I would not have thought that. Well, okay. They're using it for all of this outlining. So you see all of the outline here, which normally when you think of this black outline, you think black. Well, it's not black. All of this outline is going to be done with this dark navy. So all of the flowers, the centers of the flowers, not the brave and free, not that. But all of the outlining is done with the 939. Okay, that makes sense. So it's all going to be done with this dark blue. And it is blue. Here's one of the greens. And here's the first AB. Of course we have 2 bags. Of course we have 2 bags of the yellow 130. Aurora Borealis, iridescent coating on them. They shimmer, they shine, they pick up all kinds of colors. And on that canvas, it's just going to go pow, sparkle, sparkle, right? 2 bags. I bet you they're all around there, right? All right, wow. 4 bags of the mint. So if you'll notice, the mint is behind the lettering. The mint is behind the sunflower. The mint is over here. It's all around. And then orange, it looks like on the very outside edge. Love that. Okay, here's another AB. 2 bags of white. We already know there's a lot of white. Okay, just look at the canvas. White, white, white. The white, just, you can tell where that goes. It stands out. Okay, there's the white. Then we have an orange. 133 is an orange AB. Orange. They're going to be in the flower. They're going to be in that flower. Okay. Blue, pink. There's a green AB. That's pretty. We'll have to figure out where that one goes. Red, like a mint color, very light mint color. Another pink. The ABs are crazy. Wow. Okay. Then here's our oranges. 3 bags of 741. I know that's going to make that border. I did Melody, and she's bordered with that orange. Blue, a darker mint color, another orange, and another pink. So this pink goes with that pink, and these oranges go together. They're just like one shade off, right? All right, what else? More pink. Okay, there's the red AB. I knew there was a red. I don't know where we're going to find that. We'll have to look. I think I know where it's at. I think it's right here. That's one place. All right. Some coral, purple, yellow, pink, and 102 is black. Now, I already know where that goes. It goes right here. Brave and free. That's where the black AB goes. That's the only place, I believe, that gets the black AB. Is right here, those letters. So those are going to really pop. Purple, blue, pink. There's another green. 134 is a darker green than the other one. A couple more purples. Some tans. Oh, and here's our last AB. You guys, it's gray. A gray AB. Have you ever had a gray AB? I had kind of like a tan, brownish AB. I don't think I've ever had gray. Whoa, 139. It's P. Where do I think that would go? Gray AB. Oh, well, that's not hard to find. Okay, here's the gray. The gray AB is in the sunflower. See all the little gray spots? And the 4 is in the sunflower. That is the orange. The yellow is the 3. You know that's all AB. 5 is the light green. So you see the spots? Like this spot, these little dots, those are the light green AB. They're more yellow in all of the flowers. In the butterflies, there is more. Where is the A? I haven't found the A. Where's A? The red is just right here. I think that's the only place we have the red is here. I don't see any more red. Oh, yes, I do. Over here, too. So this coming down this way is the red AB. Those two places. Can you see what I'm doing? Yeah, here and here. Those drips. They look like drips to me. I'm still not finding A. Where is A? It's light green. Light green. Light green. Light green, come to me. Oh, it's over here. Okay. Up the side here is the light green right here beside the orange, and then up here and up here. Okay, it goes around the border, not the whole border, but most of it comes all the way around the top and down the side here. It stops right there. There's nothing down here, so it's like a 3/4 border of the bright green. Wow, just wow, right? Oh man. Isn't that pretty? Let me know if you like it. I am so sorry that it is not available any longer. I wish that they could have reproduced this one again, but more yellow AB down here. The 3, and down here. It's just filled with AB, you guys, filled. It's gorgeous. Oh, I have so many beautiful paintings I want to work on. I wish I could work on all of them, but I can't. I'm not fast enough. I'm just not fast enough. I want to do this one in the worst way. Okay? Anyhow, thanks for watching, you guys. And, just enjoy. And hopefully they come out with some other paintings in the future that just are loaded with the ABs like this. I mean, I remember when I first started, there might have been 1 or 2. And then 3 or 4 was pretty common. 5 is getting a little more common, but wow, what did I say? 8? I think it's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ABs. That's crazy, right? Give us another one. Give us some more fun stuff like that. Please, please give us some more fun stuff. I love it. Okay, I'm done rambling now. I will go. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. All right? Bye, everybody.